Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Gosh, long time no see. Well, it's been almost 2 months plus, like very close to 3 months. But there has been a very tragic story behind me not posting videos. So I'm gonna catch up with that story later because I'm gonna have that story time in my next video. And for now, it's a haul. It's a huge makeup, skincare haul. The recently the Pink Friday, Black Friday sale dropped on Nykaa, so I got a gazillion stuff from there, and some stuff I got from the um, which sale, the Independence sale, and some stuff I got from here and there, and yeah, but I'll be mentioning down the prices, like the MRP and the sale prices on the screen or in the DV maybe. So let's quickly go through the video because I have to end this video before the sun goes down. So yeah, plus I'm so awkward right now in front of the camera because I really don't know how to act in front of the camera because it's been so long and I actually don't remember how to talk. So just keep up with me. Okay, so the very first product are these two eyeshadow palettes from Nika K. One is in the shade Mocha Mix and another one is in the shade Spice Autumn Spice. And I've heard such great things about these palettes, so I just wanted to try them, and I got the very basic colors because the size of the palette is very cute, and it's travel friendly, so it's very good to like have basic colors in these sizes. So yeah, so first is these palettes. Okay, so the next I got this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's in the shade 120, I guess Classic Ivory. Yeah, it's in the shade 120 Classic Ivory, and I love this foundation, and now it has a pump with it, so it's no more messy, it's clean, it's hygienic, and yes, it has a it has SPF also, like yeah, it has SPF 22 also. So okay, so the next I got is this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. It's just a kajal, so yeah, Maybelline kajal. Okay, for a second, with those two palettes, I got this Nika K lipstick free also. It's in the shade NKF07. So yeah, this lipstick I got free with those two palettes, and then I restocked on my Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. I love this primer. It's a pore filling primer, and it's just the best drugstore primer out there. I love it. Okay, so this thing is absolutely new to me, though it's not new in the market and it's very old and very, cult favorite thingy, but it's very new and unused to me. So it is the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer, and I was eyeing this primer from a very long time, but never thought of like buying it. Or Lakme products actually don't attract me, so I just don't look for Lakme products. So but I got this one because I really wanted to try this primer, and I'm like looking for good primers, so just got this one. Okay, so we have some stuff from the house of K Beauty also. So from K Beauty I got this loose powder, which is the K Beauty translucent loose powder. I was eyeing this powder from a very long time. I always use for. Okay, the powder actually has avocado plus mango butter, which attracts me. Like, I am aware of avocado, but I don't know what mango butter actually does and what mango butter actually is. And they have almost these two ingredients in every of their product, like in the lipsticks also, I guess. Yeah, even in this highlighter. The next thing I got is this highlighter from K Beauty. It's a K Beauty illuminating highlighter in the shade, again, enriched with avocado and mango butter. I love the packaging of it. Okay, so it's in the shade Champagne Fizz, and it's a very bold highlighter. I don't know, it looks very bold to me, very pop-in bold to me. Let's try, let's see how this works. Okay, with those two products, with the loose powder, the translucent loose powder, and the highlighter, the Champagne Fizz one, I got this lipstick free from K Beauty. So yeah. Okay, so we have some stuff from the House of Elf, and I've never ever in my life tried Elf products. So I got this Elf eyeshadow primer. I'm sorry for that, but क्या करें. So I got this elf eyeshadow primer. It's not in any shade, it's just a primer. And then okay, so the next product I got is this lipstick from elf. It's the elf liquid matte lipstick in the shade Paraline. Yeah, Paraline. It's a neutral nude shade. Yeah, it's a neutral nude shade. So I have not tried any of the products, like, to be very honest, I have not tried any of the products. I have not even touched any of the products, not even swatched or anything like that. I'm just showing you, like, these are the products, and then I'm gonna, like, test try in front of you. Okay, now with those two products, with the lipstick and the eyeshadow base or eyeshadow primer, I got this free, which I was actually eyeing to buy separately, but I got free, God's grace. It's the elf jelly highlighter in the shade bubbly, and it's a very beautiful highlighter. I actually touched it because just seconds ago I was saying that I've not touched any of the products, but I actually opened the product and I loved it. I touched it, I swatched it, and this is the only product I have touched and swatched. Yeah. Okay, so I've ordered some of the sugar products. I have not placed my sugar order on Nykaa. I have placed it separately on their website. So I got this concealer. First I got this concealer from Sugar. It's in the shade 12, and it's a waterproof concealer, and again, not tried, haven't used it, so I'm gonna try and then update you. And the next thing I got is this Sugar pencil. It's an eyebrow pencil, and it's in the shade 04 Felix Onyx. Yeah, so it has a spoolie on one side and the product on the other side, and it's the darkest eyebrow shade they have, because I have, like, really jet black hair on my head as well as on my eyebrows, so I needed the darkest shade of all every time I look for anything. So yeah. So I'm very excited for this product. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and usually and generally I don't use foundation until I'm on camera or I'm clicking pictures. In real life I don't use foundation. I don't know why I got this one, which is very expensive. This foundation is really expensive. It costs for like 2,700 bucks. So I don't know why I got this one, but I was really eyeing to buy this product because I just wanted to try the. I love the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, so I just wanted to try the foundation too. So I got this one, and it's in the shade Vanilla. So yeah, and with the foundation I got this primer, Too Faced Hangover Primer Free, sample size free, and then eyeshadow primer, yeah, and cream, a Pillow Talk, a Hangover Pillow Talk cream. So these are the three products which I got free with the foundation. Okay, and with my Sugar order I got a pouch free. This is how the pouch looks. Okay, let me just unwrap it. So this is how the pouch looks. I got this free. I got this lipstick set free too. So okay, so I'm really winding up this video a little too fast because I really don't want it to be a like 30-40 minute long video. So I'm just gonna like show a little description, that's it. If you want to like know how the products perform in general and if you want to see the products in action, you can of course move on to my next video, which is gonna drop soon. So yeah, the next product I got is this one. It's the Nykaa Matte Power Nail Coat. So yeah, this is the product I got. Okay, now moving on to the Colorbar products. So I got two stuff from Colorbar. One is this and now I'm moving on to the skincare section also, because our makeup is almost done. Yeah, our makeup is done, so I'm now gonna move to the skincare section. So first I got this oil. It's a Colorbar Cellular Dry Oil, and actually Malvika raves about this oil, so I just wanted to try this. Plus I'm a very dry skin type, so anything oil related, anything moisturizing calls my name. So I got this dry oil. Okay, one thing I have to mention about this product is that the packaging, bro, the packaging is quite solid and quite attractive. I love the packaging. Any good packaging is my like cup of tea. I love good packaging. Like, this is really solid and this is very attractive. I love it. Okay, now from Kalaba again I got this eyelash curler because मेरा पुराना वाला eyelash curler is completely destroyed. I have like used it till its last breath and it's like उसकी जो strip है ना, it's stripping off. So yeah, so I got this eyelash curler with the cellular oil and this eyelash curler feels good. क्या बोलूँ मैं eyelash color के ऊपर like I have to use and actually see if curls your lashes or not. So and right now I'm already wearing mascara and a full face of makeup, so I have to wait and see. Okay, with those two products I got these two products free, and this is the most beautiful lipstick I have ever owned or I have ever seen. But first, this is the Calabar what this is called, nail print remover. Yeah, and it's quite a big bottle, so I got this free. And then here comes this lipstick, which is absolutely beautiful. It's the Calabar Drama Blast lipstick in the shade I don't know, but this is how the packaging looks, and this lipstick smells heaven. It's beautiful. It's so freaking beautiful. This lipstick is, god, everything, and it smells, oh my god, it smells so good. So like इसको like literally सिर्फ show off और सूंघने के लिए रखा हुआ है. Okay, so our makeup is done. Now moving on to skincare. I bought a bunch of stuff, so I'm gonna like quickly go through it also, and I'm gonna call this video off. Okay, first thing first, for skincare I got two stuff from Simple. One is this Simple purifying facial wash, yeah, facial wash, and it's the detox variant, I guess. Yeah, and it's mentioned here कि it's for oily skin, and मैंने read ही नहीं किया, I just ordered it. But I like the Simple moisturizing face wash so much that I like just as soon as I saw this one, it's a new launch. It's not a new launch, but it's a new launch in India. As soon as I saw this, I just ordered it. So सोचा ही नहीं इतना. And then I got this Simple moisturizer, hydrating moisturizer, and yeah, this is how the moisturizer look. It's very cute, simple, and I'm gonna try it to tell you how it performs. Or Simple products are good. मतलब I've tried its face wash, so I can tell it's good because majority of time face washes doesn't suit me. Like most of the face washes I've tried doesn't suit me. After the Biotic one, it was the first face wash which actually like worked on my skin. And yeah, the plus point about that face wash is that it worked on my acne too. I don't know how it worked, but it worked. It did something. So my skin is like quite clear now. You can see of course some zit marks are there, but they will fade away with time. Okay, so the next thing I got is from Plum. Plum. It's the body mist in the shade, in the fragrance Hawaii Rumba, and it smells divine. I love the smell of it, and it lasts for like 2-3 hours, not more than that, maximum 4 hours. Yeah, it doesn't have like long lasting power, like ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, but the fragrance is too nice. The fragrance is too good. I love it. And with this I got like one, let me show you. I got this Plum, what is this, hair mask free, a sample size free. So I just ordered this. With this I got this free. Simple. Okay, so the next product I got is this Laneige lip sleeping mask in the flavor berry. I'm not gonna eat it. क्या बोलूँ यार, it's in the flavor berry. And with the Laneige sleeping mask, I got these two sachets free. These are like green skin or something which I'm not interested in. So yeah, I got the Laneige. My Laneige one is not over yet, but I got backup because I am an ant. I work like an ant, so I just prepare my, like I store my stuff. Have you heard the story of an ant? Like वो लोग अपना सामान पहले से store कर लेते हैं. So that's how I roll, that's how I work. So I'm an ant. Okay, now from Nivea, I got these two things. One is the Nivea, you know, the normal deodorant, this one, and another one is my favorite, all time favorite Nivea lip balm, and cheap, affordable, those words are same. Um, Works great, everything nice, favorite. And with those two products, I got this free. It's the Nivea moisturizing cream. Yeah, that's it. I actually finished up my video so damn quick. I'm so proud of myself that I really मतलब इस बार elaborate नहीं किया. I'm so proud. Okay, so the last thing is this. It's the Pantene Advanced Hair Fall Solution Shampoo Plus Conditioner. So I got this for my family. They all use this. They love this. So I got a restock for them. So yeah. Okay, so this brings us to the end of the video. These are all the stuff I got, which is way too much. I got so much makeup and so much restock. Okay, so hope to see you next time. Until then, bye.